Next up in our limited edition Big Rig series featuring real working show trucks is Maya Pyskaty's number 34 Peterbilt Model 379 with simulated 53-foot walking floor trailer in 1/64 scale. A special feature that we developed specifically for this truck is the grille insert to better represent Maya's real ride. The truck is coated in a gorgeous candy turquoise finish with a purple metallic chassis, making the truck truly unique. Another nice detail on the rear of the cab is Maya's Instagram handle, Peterbilt. If you pop open the hood, you can check out the engine detail. The steps leading into the cab feature Maya's family trucking business, Pyskaty Brothers Trucking. The trailer also includes a special redesigned resin tarp top with great detailing to simulate the walking floor trailer. The trailer is casted in chrome and the rear doors swing open. The Diecast replica includes all the standard features that you've grown to expect from DCP by First Gear, including posable front wheels, pivoting fifth wheel plate, detailed undercarriage, and working landing gear on the trailer. Every Big Rigs collectible comes in a custom Big Rigs packaging with pictures and a story about the driver on the back. You may recognize Maya, as she was on the TV show Ice Road Truckers on the History Channel. The collectible also comes with a certificate of authenticity signed by Maya and First Gear. Enjoy the second truck in the Big Rigs series.